In this episode, I'm going to talk about a very common behavior that we have, especially amongst the first line leadership. It is what I call a get out of jail card. Stay tuned for more about that. When I'm out working, it's a very common situation for me is that we're looking into problems that are happening in operations, right? Things go wrong in all sorts of places and directions, you can say. And a very common behavior that I find is that we use something that I would call a get out of jail card. Get out of jail free. Huh? If you just knew what to say, you could actually get out of jail, meaning that let's say you have a problem and you would say, hey, this problem actually came because we had this newcomer who is in training, so they made a mistake, so what can you do? Normally, if you have the right kind of get out of jail phrase, so to speak, the question stops right now, right? Good card, nobody's gonna ask you again. That might feel good, but however, the problem is that you haven't improved anything. So if you just explain why things are going wrong with no actions, it doesn't help. But unfortunately, in many organizations, just explaining is absolutely good enough. Nobody actually are thinking about doing more than that. So here's a challenge that I like to give to everyone and to you too now. What if you would work on, the 5 why analysis, where you do a root cause analysis? That's quite complicated to do sometimes. But what if you could do 1 why or 2? What if you do that and then try a little bit, because it's a good way of slowly moving into the 5 why analysis and getting everybody on board with that. If you want to know more about how you can train people in a fun, engaging way, you should contact me. Like and share this one, email me, let me know if we can help you with that, so that you get going on your 5 why journey for root cause analysis. Thank you for listening.